everyone, welcome back to the Luxy Hair channel. My name is Deanna. Today's video is so much fun because I'm going to be recreating some of Olivia Rodrigo's hairstyles. Her and I have similar hair textures and colors, so I'm hoping that I can pull it off. This is actually one of them, her signature long, loose, luscious waves look. So let's jump into the video. So Olivia often rocks her long, loose waves, so to recreate her look, I'm going to need some help from my Luxy Hair Extensions. This is the Halo set in the chocolate brown shade, which is my perfect match, and it looks like this up close. Before I add all this extra length and thickness to my natural hair, I'm going to add some heat protectant to curl my own hair first, so just spritzing and brushing the product through. Then I'm going to tackle my bangs. Olivia usually has these face framing, like slight curtain bangs, so I'm going to use my Luxy Hair Velcro rollers to give my bangs that sweeping look too. Taking a rat tooth comb, I'm separating out my front pieces and bangs. And I just wet the comb a little bit to get my bangs slightly wet and damp. Then just taking one roller, this is the smallest size in the set, I'm rolling my bangs away from my face and securing with the clips that come with the roller set. Now let's curl our hair while the bangs set. So I'm grabbing the Luxy Hair Signature Curler, it's my favorite curling wand, and grabbing just 1-inch sections from my natural hair and just curling for 5 seconds each away from my face. Once everything is curled, I'm taking a hairdryer and I'm just going to give a little blast of heat to my bangs to really set them and give them that extra lift. While the bangs cool down, I'm going to curl my extensions, and to make curling super easy, I hang my extensions on the Luxy Hair Deluxe Styler. Low-key, this is the best extensions tool and hack. Okay, now my bangs are cooled down and I'm just going to remove the roller. Then I take my comb to separate the bangs down the middle and gently brush them out. Now, don't touch the rest of your hair yet, we'll brush everything out later. So taking the comb, I'm creating a strong part line just behind my ears. This is where we'll install our halo extensions, so just pin the section up and out of the way. Then to get that extra length that Olivia has, I'm taking the halo, make sure that the clips are closed first, and just line the wire up with the part line. Once in the right spot, here you can snap the clips shut to secure and let down the top layer of your hair. To conceal the wire, you just have to gently brush over it like this, and you won't be able to tell that you're wearing extensions. Next, I'm just going to add the 2 bonus side pieces to blend the sides. Okay, now that my extensions are in, I'm just going to take a wide tooth comb to gently brush and blend my natural hair and the halo extensions together. I'm already obsessed with the extra length and volume I have now. I'm going to add a few drops of hair oil to smooth down any flyaways and make it extra glossy. And of course, optional, you can add a spritz of hairspray and again brush everything together. That's it. This look is so luscious looking, and if you want loose, long waves like Olivia's, and you don't have hair as long as hers like I don't, these extensions are easy to install and super natural looking. Okay, the second look I wanted to recreate was a little bit wilder. Olivia rocked these super fun bubble pigtail braids for her prom, and I wanted to recreate them with a twist for a fun party or summer look. So leaving my extensions in, just take a rat tooth comb and separate out a section on the back side of your head to form a little pigtail with a tiny elastic, and then the same thing on the other side. Now I decided to do 3 pigtails on each side. I think Olivia only does 2 on each side, but it's totally up to you. This look is super fun and out there anyway. So I split the hair in half on my right side and pinned the back section out of the way. And then I'm just gonna start adding little elastics to create the bubble look. You wanna space the elastics out about 1 to 2 inches apart from each other. And once they're all in, just gently tug the hair in between the elastics outwards to create little bubbles. Repeating the process on the next section. And then repeat on the other side, of course. And voila, that's the look. I feel like this is something you could wear for a very fun photo shoot or even Halloween. Olivia made this look really cool, and I also love how unique it is. Okay, that's it for today's video. I would love to know in the comments below which Olivia look is your favorite, which one would you love to rock, and if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the Luxy Hair channel for more hair content as always, and we'll see you next one. Bye!